Ah! Mom, no. 2 hours earlier. Mom, why have we come here? I know it's not perfect, but we were not safe in our own home. The humans have cut down our trees and shorted our food supplies. It's easier if we cross here and we'll be somewhere safe. I'm sorry, Mom, but I'm just saying. Oh, come on, it has been a day since we left. I don't think it's a problem. Oh yeah, Jasper? Well, what if one of the humans killed us? Have you ever thought about that? No, Shadow. Let's just cross. I'll cross first. When I'm across, I'll give you the signal to go. Alright. Good luck. That's the signal. Come on. Sis, come on, we gotta go. Quit laying around, Shadow, and come. Across. Come on. Come on. Come on, Pluto, we don't have time. No, Pluto! Come on. I can't. I'm stuck. You're out of the way now. Come on. Huh? Ah! Mom! No. To be continued.